Welcome everyone and thank you so much for joining in. So let this be a quick update on price action of Bitcoin because the price of Bitcoin is still fighting to remain above this 19,000, and we are also aware once this support between 19 to 18,000 gets broken, then it's going to be a very bearish scenario for Bitcoin, because we found out on my yesterday video during this downtrend, if you look at this ascending channel formation, the price of Bitcoin always found support at the center line from the descending channel before continuing this rally here to the upside, came across top of this descending channel, got rejection, and then started this corrective movement. But during this corrective movement, we also had this relief rally type of scenario, and this relief rally ended after testing the resistance from this center line, which previously acted as a support. The center line rejected the price, and what happened with price action of Bitcoin? We started with this corrective movement and also got approached towards this lower line area. Once we tested the lower line area, just like from the past price action, we had a really nice impulsive movement. But as soon as we tested the upper line, just like from the past price action, we started with this corrective movement. And now if we look at this corrective movement, you can see this looks like a very similar scenario here from past price action. Price got rejection from this center line during the downtrend, and after that started with this correct movement, and now this is a very similar scenario. Price is getting rejection around the center line area, and we are also failing to flip that into support, because if this exact scenario is going to play out just like here from the past price action, then we have to be careful, because in that case, guys, I am actually expecting the price of Bitcoin to show a movement here in this manner. I mean, some more consolidation, then a pullback towards the lower line area from the descending channel, consolidate around that area, and then again start with this relief rally type of scenario. But as long as we are going to remain below this center line, we have to be very careful, because we don't want to get trapped in this corrective movement. And beside this example, even this one very simple scenario in a 4-hour time frame is pointing us, once this rising trend line support or the support from the neckline gets broken, then we are expecting this trend to show a reversal here to the downside towards this lower line area from this parallel channel. Because if we look at this price structure, we can see very clearly, guys, price of Bitcoin right now is clearly in a range bound, where the upper line is acting as a resistance, lower line is acting as a support. You can see that very clearly, right? Resistance, lower line acting as a support. So right now, if we look at this price structure in a very simple way, we are trapped between these horizontal lines, and inside this horizontal line we are building this head and shoulder type of formation. So once this neckline here in the medium short term around 19,000 gets broken, and price in a daily time frame is also going to close below it, in that case, please be careful, because the price could be showing a movement here towards this lower line area from this parallel channel, and also this downtrend just like here from the past price action. So please be careful, and please do not over leverage this help, because if we look at this scenario also here in a daily time frame, you can see. Now, before I start talking about this descending triangle, just a friendly reminder, a single like and a comment is definitely going to boost the algorithm of the channel. So please, guys, if you want to help me in any way, a like and a comment is all what I'm asking. Thank you very much. And now, if we look at this descending triangle, you can see a descending triangle usually indicates a trend reversal. We are focusing around this 18 to 19,000 range, because we know once this support gets broken, we are going to start with this corrective movement as shown here in an example. I mean, the price breaking the support around 18-19,000 and then showing a reversal here to the downward direction, because we have said even if we are going to find support around this 18-19,000 range, start with this relief rally here in this manner, we are still expecting this to turn out into a fake out, and price going to still continue this bearish trend in the upcoming days. Why? Because we know even the dead cat bounce scenario here in a daily time frame is playing out perfectly, and also indicating once the support which we have around this 18 to 19,000 gets broken, then there could be a free fall type of scenario where the price is going to follow the original trend, and in our case the original trend is clearly heading towards this lower target area. I mean, this trend is going to show a movement here in this manner, heading towards the 16 to 17,000 as our next potential target, and also in the worst case 11 to 12,000 range. And beside this, guys, in a weekly, we are also prepared. The price of Bitcoin is showing a very similar movement just like here in the phase E area. So according to this Wyckoff distribution schematic tool, we know once this support around 18 to 19,000 gets broken, then we can see the trend is going to show a reversal here in this manner, because this is exactly how Wyckoff's distribution schematic tool is actually flashing us right now. Once the support on 19,000 gets broken, then the price of Bitcoin is going to head towards the next area of confluence, and in that case around 11 to 12,000 range. So in a weekly time frame, we are also getting a bearish signal. And yesterday I showed you guys with this ascending channel, each and every time the price here in a weekly time frame using this logarithmic scale found support at the lower line area from this ascending channel, we had this very nice relief rally. But in our case, if we monitor the price structure, we are fighting to remain above this 18 to 19,000 range in a monthly time frame. This is in a monthly time frame, guys. So in a monthly, if we are going to close the month below 18,000, then that is going to be a big warning sign, because in that case we are going to lose the support which we have since 2018, and in that case we are also going to look for another trend continuation here in this manner. I mean, price getting gravitated towards 11-12,000, consolidate here for months, even for a year, and then slowly begin with this mark of face which we are waiting desperately. But for that we still have a lot of time. So here in the immediate short term, please keep an eye around this 18 to 19,000 range, because we want the price to hold that area. But once we fail to hold that support line, please be careful, because all are flashing a corrective movement or a free fall type of scenario for Bitcoin. So please do not over leverage yourself at this current stage. So this is it for today, guys. I hope this quick video was helpful enough. If that's the case, then destroy the like button, and for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit the subscribe button and the bell. Now by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye.